Conditional behavior is another common requirement in form design. It allows you as the form designer to trigger different behavior based on values or selections made in the form at runtime. There are two branch commands that we can use to manage conditional behavior: the simple branch and the multiple branch. Both can be found in the general behaviors toolbox, but do remember you can add them to your custom toolbox too. We will start with a simple branch command. You can define your condition in the simple branch properties panel on the right. There are two types of conditions possible. A simple condition will allow you to use the state or value of a single field on the form, and the advanced condition will allow you to use the state or value of multiple fields on the form. The advanced condition editor will be the subject of a different tutorial video, so for now we will stick with using a simple condition to demonstrate the basic technique. First of all, select the field that you want to base your condition on. Clicking the Select button will open up a dialog box showing all of the pages in your form. Drill down to select the field using the arrowheads to open pages or groups. In this example form, the request type is a drop-down object with both a caption and a value. It's the caption we are interested in, so we select and click OK. The next step is to select the condition operator from the available list below. In this case, we want to look at the IT equipment option, which is one of the items listed in the drop-down. Do be aware that in this example we are looking for the condition request type caption is equal to IT equipment. But as each option in the drop-down also has a value element, we could have used the condition request type value is equal to 4. It is necessary, of course, to know the caption and value options in the drop-down objects. Now we have the condition specified, we can decide what behavior to trigger if that condition is true, and what behavior to trigger if the condition is false. First, let's look at the true condition. If we link from the simple branch to the new command, you will see that the pathway starts with a green T icon, which indicates that this path will be followed if the condition on the simple branch is true at the time it is initiated. We can now do the same for the false condition. Note that the second pathway attached to the simple branch command will show a red F for false. You will find that only a maximum of 2 pathways can be attached to a simple branch command, the true and the false path. For simple conditional behavior, this is normally the best option, but in some cases you might need multiple conditions. If this is required, then you can use a multiple branch command instead. With the multiple branch command, you can add as many pathways as you need. There are 8 join points available to use, and you can add more than one pathway to a single join point. You cannot add a condition directly onto the multiple branch command, but you'll see that you can on each individual pathway. This is how you can define multiple condition behaviors in your form. You will also notice a third option in the condition types, which is always if no other condition is met. The name pretty much explains what this is for, but it's really the else in an if-then-else type of condition. With a multiple branch command, you do need to ensure that your conditions are mutually exclusive, or in other words, that 2 or more conditions cannot be true at the same time.